It's me, Almae Astle again, Miss Home Living. Today, magluluto tayo ng pork embutido. Madali lang to, ang yummy. And, this is the ingredients. Please come with me, and we can make this. I know you can do this. Okay, but before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Miss Home Living. Come on, let's go. Let's start cooking. This is how I prepare my ingredients: ground pork, and this is our carrots. I use a food processor to this so that it's very tiny. And this is our cheese. It should be maliliit, guys. And this is our bell pepper, red and yellow. I use a food processor to that too. This is our raisins, and this is our hot dog, our onion. I use a food processor also, and this is our black and salt, black pepper and salt, and this is our pickles, sweet pickles. So, and this is our 2 cups of breadcrumbs. The ingredients is yummy already. And this is our oyster sauce. And the eggs. And I also prepared boiled eggs for the toppings. Okay, so this is, we're going to put all together the ingredients. See, masarap. Itong bell pepper, guys, if you will do for the food processor, it really mix the color, you know, the sauce of that. So you just mix it. So this is all our cheese and onion. See, it's yummy. You will just mix it all so that it will combine all the oyster. Raisins. Combine all our 3 eggs. We'll put 3 eggs to this. This is just madali lang to, guys. Kayang-kaya nyo to. And you can also preserve this for how many days? You can preserve that, or months. You can put that in your freezer after the cooking this, steaming. So you put in your refrigerator, then after 3 days you can put that to the freezer and preserve. And I forgot to put the sugar, so to the ingredients first. So I put sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. So we just mix this. See? It's easy. Just mix and mix and mix and mix. Then after this, we can already wrap. See, looks good. You see? Hindi siya maputla, guys, kasi nung prepare natin yung bell pepper, the sauce to that, while we are using the food processor, the sauce of the color, also the red and the yellow, put to the meat. So look, so that is why hindi siya maputla, may kulay siya, right? So lagay lang natin dito, parang nag-ano lang tayo, nag-prepare ng lumpia, but lumpia is just small. But this one will flatten the meat so that we can decorate the top, kasi lagay natin yung egg saka yung hotdog dyan, para pag naluto na to, pag sinaslice natin, maganda yung sa center ng embutido natin, diba? Kasi mas maganda pag magandang tingnan, mas ganahan kang kumain. If looks delicious, then it's really like to eat it. Good appetite. Okay, lagay na natin yung eggs sa gitna. Yan. Diba? Diba ang ganda ng kulay, guys? Lagyan na natin yung hotdogs. Yung sinaslice natin hotdogs. Depende yan kung ilang hotdogs yung ilagay nyo, ilang eggs yung ilagay nyo. Depende yan sa inyo. Yan. Diba? So, narap na natin to. I-roll na natin to. Parang nag-roll lang kayo ng ano. Hinay-hinay lang. Para sa gitna yung itlog saka yung hotdog. So yan, madali lang to guys, ganyan lang. Yan, roll and roll. Roll and roll. Roll and roll. Yan. Tapos ilalak na natin yung side by side. Depende lang sa inyo kung paano nyo ilak yan. Basta ilak lang nyo. Sa akin, ganito lang. Ganito lang yung paglak ko. Ayan, tapos na. So, yung iba, i-prepare ko. Tapos, i-system na natin to. See? So, ito na. Steam na natin, guys. Steam natin, guys, for 1 hour. Then, after, hayaan lang natin sa steamer. Then, malamig na, transfer natin sa refrigerator for 5 hours. Then, ito na! See? Looks so yummy! Yung kabilang side, pina-fry ko yan kasi yung husband ko gusto niya kumain ng fried. Ayaw niya yung malamig. At ako, gusto ko malamig. So, yan. Kasi, yung sa Pinoy, pwede naman yung may ibang gusto sa pina-fry, may ibang gusto yung kainin ng malamig lang. So, ayan guys. Diba, hindi siya maputla. Ang gandang tingnan. So, looks so yummy. And it's really yummy. Look at the eggs and the hot dogs. Nasa gitna siya. So, magandang tingnan. So, appetizer. Right? Ang ganda. At ang sarap. So, guys, if you like my embutido, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Amy's Living. I hope you enjoy watching and cooking with me. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, Amy's Living. Bye-bye.